Welcome home.
Welcome home.
So we are at the Riviera Resort in the Tower Studio.
Yep.
So this room, it's small, but it fits 2 people.
It's just 2 people.
Yeah,
yep.
So for us it's perfect, and it kind of works well with, you know, points, especially during spring break time. So over here is going to be kind of like the kitchenette area, microwave, and mini fridge. Whoopsie.
We've got some stuff in there.
There goes our water bottles. And then up here we have the extra pillow and blanket. We have the paper products toaster, obviously our
fruit.
some like fruit and stuff for us. Here, you know, you just have some shelves, you got some waters, and oh, the Holy Bible.
Yeah, a lot of
extra
cupboard
storage
space. Big TV.
Nice TV. The desk area is over here, and this is where you have the Keurig and your coffee stuff. So we obviously use that.
Mm-hmm.
Some drawer space. Now the bathroom is really nice and really big.
Yeah, it is pretty big bathroom.
Big vanity area. I love having these nice mirrors. So this is a really nice bathroom space. You know, if you need any bathroom storage stuff. And the shower is like beautiful.
Yeah, it is.
Rain shower, which we love. They've got the pumps for the body wash and shampoo and conditioner.
There's like a little bench in there too, which is kind of cool.
And then a closet over here, which we've already got some stuff in there too. Laundry basket, and just like, you know, whatever you want to put in there. So yeah.
And then
these things, I guess, move out of the way.
Yeah, so those move out of the way. And they also, they have storage in them too.
These are storage as well.
Yeah, so you can lift that up and put stuff in there. Yeah, this is definitely a good place if you're spending a lot.
People.
Yeah, and if you're spending a lot of time at the parks and stuff. If you're wanting to hang out at the room, probably not the best place for that. But this folds down. All right, so that folds down to the main bed.
It's actually comfy.
Yeah. Yeah,
comfy.
queen.
And that's Peter Pan.
Yeah.
Isn't that pretty?
That is. That's pretty
I love
cool.
that. And then in here, which I really like. Oh, pretty. In here they have
that's pretty cool.
plugins and the USB.
USB.
And it's actually kind of like
on both sides.
A little shelf. So if you want to put your phone or glasses or like anything on like a little nightstand,
You can right there.
You can do it right there. So this is the Tower Studio.
Yep.
Let's go look at what our view is, and then my family is also here staying down the hall, and they are in a Deluxe Studio. So I think we'll just walk down there and show it really quickly, just to show like what another room category looks like here at the Riviera. But before we do that,
take a look at our view.
So we're standard view.
Yeah.
So we are not facing the Skyliners, but take a look that way.
Boom, right there, Epcot ball, right in your face.
Spaceship Earth, baby.
So it'd be really cool if they had fireworks going and stuff. You could see everything from right here.
Yeah, and actually I feel like the camera makes it look farther away.
Yeah,
it's
camera
really
does make
close.
it look further away, but it's right there. It's like across the road.
Yeah, so
it's kind of cool.
You may see the parking lot, but if you just look right over, you can see Spaceship Earth.
Yep.
And this is a cute little painting, the Aristocats. Oh, Hidden Mickey.
Yeah, it is right there.
Right there.
Yeah.
I love it. I love
cool.
all the art.
And a cool light too. Like a little
beautiful chandelier. Super pretty.
Cool.
Okay, in Mom and Dad's room.
Welcome home.
Welcome home.
All right, so this is
the Deluxe Studio standard view.
Mm-hmm.
So they're kind of getting settled with all their stuff. Oh, show the matching shirts.
All right, look at that. That looks pretty good.
They're so cute.
People.
There you go. Your DVC members is what you are.
There you go. We're something else.
All right.
Yeah, I love the kitchenette area here that you guys have.
Yep.
All of their coffee and tea and everything. They have the regular coffee pot, microwave, toaster, mini fridge, and then the bathroom.
There you go.
It's nice that it's split. So
there's a tub.
Yeah, the tub is over here, the sink, and then private door for this toilet area, and then this shower, which also has the rain head and everything. So that's really nice.
Yeah, that is nice. And a bench.
Yeah. Do you guys like the Riviera?
It's
pretty.
It's very pretty.
It is.
Super nice.
And then this is the
bed.
bed. See, look, this is so nice. Mom already has stuff.
Yeah, so the bed.
Under the bed storage.
They have an undercarriage there.
Oh.
So nice.
Yeah.
And then just like a seating area, and this obviously pulls out into a bed as well. Dad, I thought I could get it by myself.
Look at that.
Oh, cute. You guys have 101 Dalmatians.
That's cool.
We have Peter Pan in the tower studio.
So this way you can
cute.
sleep more people here, and then this actually folds out over here.
Yep. Yeah. And there's Pascal.
Pascal.
Oh, look.
How cool that is.
Who does that?
I love all of like the art, and look at that piece of art.
Because of the
Isn't that cool?
Yeah, it is cool.
Hey, you could order one of these.
All
So
right.
it's really nice, and then everything is clean and safe, and
Is this your screen?
yeah, we have that in our room too. I don't know if I showed that when we did our room tour. And then they have the same view as us, standard view,
Yep.
and then with the Epcot ball. So I think we're gonna enjoy our stay here.
All right.
Thanks for letting us look at
5
your room.
nights.
Yeah.
5 nights, right?
Okay.
We made one more stop to see Emery and say goodnight, and she wants
Good
to show
night.
us something
What
we
do you see?
found.
We found
On the painting.
Lightning McQueen.
Oh my gosh.
A little hidden Lightning McQueen.
Enlightening
Okay, what
McQueen.
else did we find?
In Monaco, it looks like, or whatever.
A Shin Mickey.
Good
It's trying to focus. There we go. Wow, look at that.
Good find, Emery.
Good job, Emery. Good night.
All right, so that is a little bit of the room tours and checking out 2 different room categories here. But we're off to bed, so
Tired.
we'll show more of the Riviera, during our trip as we stay here and everything. But thanks for checking out the rooms, and we'll see you guys in the next vlog. Good night.
Good night.